Hi everyone, my name is Hilda Mensah, an MBA Logistics and Supply Chain student of KMST. And today I'll be discussing with you smart and digital logistics. We'll be talking about the key drivers, the emerging innovations, the benefits, and finally the contemporary challenges. In contemporary world, organizations and companies are now technology driven instead of using the manual processes. So I'll be discussing the differences between the digital and then the smart logistics. Digital logistics uses the internet and also softwares rather than using the manual processes. While with the smart logistics, it uses AIs and sensors that can watch, learn, and make decisions on its own. So we'll be moving on to the key drivers of digital and smart logistics. So the following key drivers explains the reasons why organizations adopt these modern technologies. This is due to the rising customer expectations. So customers these days expect fast delivery and also easy returns. And with the growth of e-commerce, organizations and customers now buy most of their products online rather than visiting physical shops. And also we have globalization and supply chain. So due to international trade, people can now buy their raw materials in one country. They can manufacture in another country and also sell the products worldwide. And with the need for cost reduction, due to smart and digital logistics, it reduces waste and also enhances their operations. The following are the benefits of digital and smart logistics. Firstly, we'll be talking about faster delivery of goods. So due to these modern technologies in logistics and supply chains, customers can now get their products with ease. And secondly, it has reduced human efforts since they've now implemented the use of robots and drones in their operations, and thereby lowering operational costs. It has also improved customer satisfaction. So when customers get their delivery on time, it makes them satisfied. And then there are real-time tracking and visibility. So there are sensors and AIs that are able to track, their shipping containers of the emerging innovations in digital and smart logistics. So we have the warehouse automation and robotics, which is the use of machines and robots in their industries rather than using manual processes or human beings. And then we have the autonomous vehicles and drones. They use self-driving vehicles and drones to deliver their goods. And with the cloud computing, it helps them store their data on the internet without using only a single computer. This video is a pic of Amazon's warehouse and how they use robots and also smart logistics in their daily operations.
Ever wondered just how Amazon has been keeping up with being able to constantly deliver products to their customers within a 2-day, now 1-day timeline successfully? Thanks to the introduction of enhanced technology, delivery for a bewildering number of consumer goods is now not only conceivable, but essentially standard. In today's video, we take a look inside Amazon's fast shipping system. How it all started. Before Prime launched in 2005, 1-day shipping was too far-fetched. Now it is the standard shipping speed for Amazon's 100 million Prime members. Since 2015, Amazon has been making...
We'll be talking about the industry and global examples. So, pharmaceutical these days uses drones in order to transport their supplies. So a company like Zipline, which is in Walwali, uses drones to deliver medical supplies and blood to remote communities in Ghana. And also Amazon has deployed over 750,000 robots into their fulfillment centers. So let's watch the video.
Welcome to Zipline. Welcome to Zipline. Zipline is a company that delivers medical supplies nationwide through the use of drones. They call these drones zips. They receive the requests, package the medical supplies, and load them into this zip as you've seen. The zip is being carried outside where it is being launched. Here, they fix other components to the zip, including its battery. Next is to physically inspect the zip before firing. He communicates with the control room for permission to fire and also to alert the receiving facility. All is set.
So in our next video, we will be watching how Amazon uses robots to pack their goods and also sort their parcels.
Those yellow pods, and on demand, it's called a goods to person fulfillment system. Those pods will come to a pick station.
Okay, let me give you the basics here. So those yellow pods, that's where we store inventory. So we put goods inside those yellow pods, and on demand, it's called a goods to person fulfillment system. Those pods will come to a pick station. This is a Vulcan pick station. You can see that we have 2 robotic arms. It'll reach into those pods, those little bins, and it's a highly cluttered environment with different objects that you may order on Amazon.com. And then it will feel its way and also...
So in this slide, we will be discussing the contemporary challenges in smart and digital logistics. So first, we're talking about the cybersecurity threats. Logistics systems connected to the internet are vulnerable to hacking and data theft. Secondly, higher implementation costs. Businesses nowadays find it difficult to implement digital and smart logistics due to the fact that these softwares are very expensive. And thirdly, we have the skills gap and workforce challenges. Some of the workforce or the employees are resistant to change. They don't want to enhance their technical skills in order to operate these technologies or machines. So we'll be talking about the regulatory and compliance challenge. So different companies have different rules for data and trade, which makes logistics operations very difficult. And also delays implementation, and also due to the employees not willing to enhance their technical skills, they become resistant to change. Thank you.